Hi everyone. Welcome back to our art channel. Today we are going to draw a cool hat together. Grab your paper, pencils and let's get started. Start with a simple oval shape for the top of the hat. Now add two straight lines for the sides. Connect them at the bottom to form the brim. Nice, we have got the basic shape down. Time to add some details. Let's draw a band around the head. You can make it wavy or straight. Get creative. Great job. It's already looking stylish. Let's add some shading to give it depth. Shade one side of the head to create shadows. This adds a 3D effect. Looks fantastic. Now imagine the light source and shade accordingly. You can make your head any color you like. Don't forget to color in the band and bow too. Adding small lines can make it look textured. Take your time, there's no rush in art. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need. How's everyone doing so far? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's add some background to our drawing. It could be a sunny day or a starry night, your choice. Backgrounds add a whole new dimension to your artwork. Almost there, let's do some final touches. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your fellow art enthusiasts. Subscribe and be part of our awesome art community. Keep practicing and your skills will keep growing. See you in the next video for more artistic adventures. Keep those creative juices flowing. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art, just your way. Thanks for being part of our creative journey. Thank you so much for this video.